Hi guys, this is Vino back with another video. Today we'll be making red velvet cake. So you all are welcome back to my channel. Please like, comment and subscribe. Before we start baking, preheat your oven if you're using an electric oven to 180 degrees centigrade. But if you don't have an oven, I'll tell you when to start preheating your oven. Before we start baking, we'll add 1 teaspoon of vinegar to 1 cup of milk. That will be our buttermilk. But if you already have a buttermilk or you buy from the store, no need for this step, just skip it. So we'll be prepping our flour now. We'll be adding 1 teaspoon of baking powder to our flour, and then we'll be adding 1 teaspoon of salt. No one wants a bland cake. So after that, all we are just going to do is whisk to combine. You have to whisk so everything well combined. No one wants a salty cake. This whisk I'm using is not a normal whisk, it's a plastic whisk and can serve as a clamp for your spaghetti and also a whisk. So I just love this whisk. Enough of our whisk issue now. Let's go on making our cake. In a bowl, add in 175 grams of oil, a good vegetable oil that has no taste, please. To our oil, we'll be adding 200 grams of white granulated sugar. I said granulated. I'll be adding 50 grams of brown sugar. I love adding brown sugar to my red velvet cake. All we're just going to do now is mix to combine. I'll be adding 2 eggs as well, and then you just have to mix well till it's well combined. Mix, mix, mix. Let's fasten things up a bit. I'll be adding in my flavor now. You can add any flavor of your choice, but me, I'm using white vanilla. Also, I'll also be adding in my butterscotch. I love adding butterscotch, so I'll be adding it. After that, all you just have to do is mix till it's well combined. After add our milk now. If you check this milk, I don't know if you are seeing, but it has curdled already. It has formed some streaks of something like butter already. We're adding it to our oil face, our wet face, and we'll be mixing it all together. Mix till well combined. Next, we'll be adding in 1 teaspoon of this color. If you're in Nigeria, you know this color. It's called red velvet color. Please, just 1 teaspoon, because this color, I just have to say, you just have to see it. No need for too much talk. Now all you have to do is mix well till it's combined. That's all for our wet face. Now let's go over to our dry face. We'll be adding in our flour in 4 batches. So this is the first batch. You have to first carefully mix so that you'll not spill it everywhere, because this thing can stain. So just please be careful. Now let's fasten things a bit. Mix till you barely see streaks of flour before you add another batch. This is my second batch, and I'll be following the same step. First, you mix slowly before. If you want to be fast, you can be fast. But please don't over mix your batter, please. My third batch. And this is my last batch of flour. You want to get everything out of your bowl. This is not the time for you to waste anything. Just put everything there and mix it well combined. Now in a small, I'll be adding in 1 teaspoon of vinegar and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. It will start to bubble. As soon as it starts to bubble, you add it to your batter. Just watch. Immediately add to your batter. And then you have to mix slowly so you won't deflate all those bubbles. I forgot, if you are using a locally made oven like the one in Nigeria, most people use in Nigeria, now is the perfect time to start preheating your oven. You can start when you start alternating your flour and your wet ingredient, that your dry and your wet ingredient. Our batter is ready now. This batter is made for an 8-inch pan, but I'm using a 7-inch pan because I'll be using the rest for cupcakes. So pour in carefully because this batter can stain you. So please be gentle when pouring in your batter to your pan. If you want a video on how to prepare a pan, please just leave it in the comment section below and I will make a video on that. So your cake won't stick to your pan. You won't have to make this delicious cake and see that your cake is already stuck to the pan. It won't be good. Our cake is out of the oven now, looking so delicious and yummy. I'm just using a knife to run around the edge so as to detach it from my pan. Be careful with this because you can easily cut your cake in this process. So please be careful. You can use a cake board or a cake stand to overturn your cake. Anyway, you can even use a plate because my goal is to let you guys know that you can bake even without a lot of instruments. Baking is that easy. You don't have to have all the instruments before you bake a cake. So that's my cake looking so fluffy, yummy. So please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.